Elon Musk exposes Cybertruck's true dimensions, revolutionary body materials, and unveils first customers. In the ever-evolving landscape of the automotive industry, one name has consistently stood out for pushing the boundaries of innovation and redefining the concept of what a car can be: Elon Musk. Welcome, enthusiasts and curious minds. Today, we're thrilled to dive into the world of innovation as we unpack the revelations from Elon Musk, where he exposes the true dimensions of the Cybertruck, unveils revolutionary body materials, and introduces the first set of eager customers. Get ready for a journey into the future of automotive excellence. The Cybertruck has been shrouded in mystery since its dramatic unveiling in 2019, with its futuristic design and angular stainless steel exoskeleton capturing the imagination of many. Elon Musk's recent leak has now given us a glimpse into the real size of this unconventional electric pickup. Reports suggest that the Cybertruck's dimensions will remain true to the original concept, with its distinctive triangular shape and robust exterior. The leaked information hints at a vehicle that is not only visually striking but also substantial in size. Musk has emphasized the importance of the Cybertruck being practical for a wide range of users, from urban dwellers to those with more rugged lifestyles. The leaked, real-size details promise a vehicle that is not only an aesthetic marvel but also a functional powerhouse, catering to the diverse needs of its future owners. One of the most groundbreaking aspects of the Cybertruck is its use of exoskeleton-grade stainless steel. This choice of material not only contributes to the vehicle's unique aesthetic, but also provides unprecedented durability. Elon Musk's leak suggests that there have been significant advancements in the manufacturing process, lending to improvements in the body materials of the Cybertruck. This leak hints at potential changes in the composition of the stainless steel exoskeleton, making it even more robust and resistant to wear and tear. The incorporation of innovative materials has long been a hallmark of Tesla's approach to vehicle design, and the leaked details indicate that the Cybertruck is poised to set new standards in both strength and sustainability. One of the most tantalizing aspects of Elon Musk's recent leak is the revelation of the very first customer set to take delivery of the Cybertruck. The selection process for these fortunate few has been a closely guarded secret, and Musk's decision to share this information has generated a wave of excitement and envy within the Tesla community. Reports suggest that the first batch of Cybertrucks will be delivered to a diverse group of individuals, ranging from loyal Tesla enthusiasts to high-profile celebrities who have been vocal about their admiration for Musk's vision. The leak has sparked speculation about the potential influencers who might be among the first to showcase the Cybertruck on social media, further fueling the anticipation surrounding this groundbreaking vehicle. Elon Musk's calculated leaks about the Cybertruck's real size, changes in body materials, and the announcement of the very first customers are undoubtedly strategic moves aimed at maintaining the electric pickup's relevance in a rapidly evolving market. As traditional automakers increasingly enter the electric vehicle arena, Tesla faces growing competition, making it crucial for the company to keep the Cybertruck in the spotlight. The leaked information serves not only to generate excitement among existing Tesla enthusiasts, but also to attract new customers who may have been on the fence about transitioning to electric vehicles. The combination of cutting-edge design, robust materials, and the allure of being among the first to own a Cybertruck creates a unique proposition that could have a lasting impact on the electric vehicle market. Beyond the exterior design and body materials, Elon Musk's leak hints at a significant technological advancements within the Cybertruck. Reports suggest that the vehicle will feature an advanced autopilot system, taking Tesla's self-driving capabilities to new heights. The leaked details imply that the Cybertruck could be equipped with an array of sensors and cameras, making it a formidable contender in the race toward fully autonomous driving. Furthermore, Musk's leak suggests improvements in battery technology, promising an extended range for the Cybertruck. This not only addresses one of the common concerns among potential electric vehicle buyers, but also positions the Cybertruck as a viable option for long-distance travel, further expanding its appeal to a broader audience. Tesla has long been at the forefront of promoting sustainable transportation, and the leaked details about the Cybertruck reinforce this commitment. The use of stainless steel in the exoskeleton is not only for its durability, but also for its recyclability. Musk's leak indicates that Tesla is actively working on making the production and disposal of the Cybertruck more environmentally friendly, aligning with the company's overarching mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. Additionally, the advancements in battery technology mentioned in the leak contribute to the overall sustainability of the Cybertruck. As electric vehicles become more commonplace, their environmental impact is increasingly under scrutiny, and Tesla's efforts to address these concerns position the Cybertruck as a responsible choice for environmentally conscious consumers. Elon Musk's calculated leaks about the Cybertruck are not limited to the North American market. Reports suggest that Tesla has ambitious plans for global market penetration, with the leaked information hinting at adaptations to meet various regulatory standards and consumer preferences worldwide. As the electric vehicle market continues to grow on a global scale, Cybertruck's unique design, technological features, and sustainability efforts could position it as a leader in multiple regions. The leaked details provide a glimpse into Tesla's strategy for catering to diverse markets and ensuring that the Cybertruck becomes a global phenomenon. While the leaked information has undoubtedly generated excitement, it has also sparked its fair share of challenges and controversies. Some critics argue that the unconventional design of the Cybertruck may alienate traditional pickup enthusiasts, while others question the practicality of its stainless steel exoskeleton in everyday use. Moreover, the leaked details about the very first customers have fueled debates about fairness in the selection process and whether Tesla is prioritizing celebrity endorsements over the needs of its broader customer base. Elon Musk's penchant for unconventional marketing and decision-making is once again under scrutiny, adding an extra layer of complexity to Cybertruck's journey into the automotive market. As the leaked information about the Cybertruck continues to circulate, one question looms large. What does the future hold for the Cybertruck brand? Elon Musk's leak is not just about the current state of the electric pickup, it's a strategic move to shape public perception and anticipation for what lies ahead. The leaked details suggest that the Cybertruck is not just a one-time project for Tesla, but a cornerstone in the company's long-term vision. Further iterations, potential collaborations, and expansions into new markets should be on the horizon, turning Cybertruck into a dynamic brand rather than a static model. Elon Musk's leaks about the Cybertruck have not only stirred excitement but also opened up avenues for community engagement and user feedback. The Tesla community is known for its active engagement and its passionate members who eagerly share their thoughts and expectations. Musk's calculated leaks can be seen as a strategic move to gauge public sentiment and refine the Cybertruck's features based on the collective feedback. This approach aligns with Tesla's history of incorporating user suggestions and over-the-air updates to enhance the performance and functionality of their vehicles. The leaked details about the Cybertruck may serve as a conversation starter, encouraging enthusiasts and potential buyers to voice their opinions and contribute to the ongoing evolution of the electric pickup truck. Elon Musk's recent leaks about the Cybertruck's real size, changes in body materials, and the revelation of the very first customers have ignited a fresh wave of excitement in the automotive world. As the electric vehicle landscape continues to evolve, the Cybertruck stands as a symbol of Tesla's commitment to innovation and its ability to capture the public's imagination. The leaked details not only confirm the Cybertruck's adherence to its original design, but also hint at improvements that will make it a formidable presence on both urban streets and in off-road terrains. The choice of materials and the advancements in manufacturing processes underscore Tesla's dedication to pushing the boundaries of what is possible in vehicle design. As we eagerly anticipate the official unveiling of the Cybertruck and delve into the exciting details Elon Musk has revealed, we invite you to be a part of the conversation. Stay connected and informed about the latest developments in the world of electric vehicles, cutting-edge technology, and automotive innovation. If you enjoyed this comprehensive exploration of the leaked Cybertruck details, don't forget to hit the like button, and to ensure you don't miss out on future updates, subscribe to our channel for exclusive content and in-depth analyses. Your thoughts matter to us, so share your opinions, expectations, and predictions in the comment section below. What features are you most excited about? And do you think the Cybertruck will revolutionize the automotive industry? We want to hear.